This elegant VIP light system is made with JLCPCB manufactured printed circuit board. Without any delays, let's complete the project. Once I ordered, I received numbers of PCBs and a stencil. Stencil is more important to SMD soldering. After the video, you also can add this project into your electronic project collection. Do not forget to subscribe. Set the hot gun air level 2 and temperature to 300. Overheat may cause to burn the components. When you purchase SMD LEDs, ensure that all the LEDs are same brand and same color. You can use 2 sets of colors LEDs. When you place the LEDs, place to the correct polarity. Once the SMD parts are soldered, you can solder other through-hole pads. Remember that the 4017 IC can easily be damaged with overheat. Therefore, I recommend to use IC sockets. It will help you to protect the IC as well as replace the IC. The project is completed. Light system is working as expected. You can use the small preset to adjust the speed. Try this project and make this project a part of your electronic collection.